the people behind a documentary about the Elephant Six Recording Company, the collective of musicians founded by members of the Olivia Tremor Control, the Apples in Stereo and Neutral Milk Hotel in the early 90s, is seeking funds to finish their film via crowdfunding. The documentary, A Place We Have Been To, a film featuring the Elephant Six Recording Co., features interviews with many of the musicians in the collective. The producers have made a preview for the film available on their Pledge Music crowdfunding site. Related The Milk of Human Kindness, inside Elephant Six for more than 20 years, Elephant Six artists have put out experimental, lo-fi and psychedelic sounds that began catching on in the late 90s. Since then, bands from the collective, including of Montreal, Dressy Bessy and Elf Power, have gone on to earn critical success.